how are you? I think you are doing well. So in this video I am going to show you how to fix Instagram note feature is not showing. So after updating your Instagram, you are seeing that your note feature is not working. So how can you fix that? So before this video, starting the video, I ask you for something. Please subscribe my channel and hit the like button. After updating your Instagram, if you see your note feature is not working, then you have to go your Instagram. You can see here I am on my Instagram. You can see here I am on my Instagram, and you have to click here your profile icon, and you have to click here three dot line, and then you have to click here settings, and then from settings you have to scroll down, and then you have to click here account. So from account you have to scroll down, and you have to click here switch to professional account. Then you have to click here continue, and then from here you have to describe you. So I am simply clicking here digital creator. If you want any other, then you can select. Then you have to click here done. Then you can see it's loading. Then you can see her creator. Are you a creator? Yes, I am a creator. So here I click here. Then you have to click here next. Then you have to click here cross, and then you can see your profile become a professional profile. So now your profile have to become personal profile, because this is the process. First you have to go to professional, and then you have to get back in your personal profile. So this is the first process. So for getting back your personal profile, you have to click here three dot line and settings, and then you have to click here account settings, and then you have to click here switch to account type, then you have to click switch to personal account. Then you have to click here switch to personal account. Then you can see here your profile become personal, and if you click here home, and if you click here message, and then you can see here your note feature is available. So this is the first process. If this process not working to you, then there have another process. So second process is you have to click here your profile icon, and then you have to click here three dot line, you can see here, and then you have to click again settings, and from settings you have to click here privacy. You can see here privacy, you have to click here privacy, and from privacy you have to scroll down, and then you can see here active status. You have to click here active status, and then you have to on your active status if your active status off. So this is the second process. If your active status off, then you have to on, and then you can see here your note feature will be available. So if this process is not work to you, then you have to log out from your account. You can see here you have to click here three dot line, and you have to click here settings, and then you have to scroll down, and you have to click here log out. You can see here log out. You have to click here log out, and then you have to click here log out again, and then you have to click here log in. So this is the third process. You have to log out, then you have to log in your profile, and then you can see here your note feature is available. So this is the third process. If three processes are not working on your phone, they have last or final process. This is you have to click here on your profile, then you have to click here three dot line, and you have to click here settings, and I think this process will working in your phone. So you have to click here settings, help center. You can see here helps. You have to click here helps. then you have to click here report a problem, and then if your shake phone to report, if this on, you have to off, and then you have to click here report a problem. Then you have to include and continue. Then you have to write here a report. So I write it from before. I am simply copy it from my notepad. You can see here my notepad. From notepad I am simply copy. You can pause the video here and you can copy it from here, or I will provide it on my description. You can copy also from my description. So simply copy and you have to paste it here. If you have any screenshot related to the problem, you can upload here. You can see here upload, then you have to click here send. So this is the fourth process. I think this process will work on your phone. So after sending the message to WhatsApp, they will get back within 24 hours, and your problem will be fixed. So this is the video for today. If you have any inquiry related to the video, you can ask me in my comment box, and also I provided my Facebook link in description box. You can connect with me in my Facebook. Thank you so much.